So we come to the features of the rear of the UNO SD. Here in its semi-active or passive arrangement, we can see here three elements: the passive crossover, a cover plate, which would also go away for adding the i-tron amplifier in a fully active setup, and the subwoofer amplifier with the built-in DSP. In this passive setup, the accessory package includes a pair of jumper cables that interconnects the passive crossover and the subwoofer, so that speaker level signal can either be input here on top of the speaker, which we would usually recommend, or also here at the subwoofer, because those banana plugs here, they can be stacked, they have holes in the back, or of course you can use spades. Here on the top, the plus and minus of the tweeter and mid-range connectors, which are separate here, are interconnected by gold-plated bridges. These can also be removed for bi-amping or by wiring.